Creators, I'm stepping into the dark side. I've started using AI to help me streamline my process, produce my content, and boost my output. And honestly, it's not all horseshoes and rainbows. I mean, some tools, game changers. Others, well, let's talk about Soundraw AI. And yes, I do make music, but my catalog isn't big enough to source all the songs I need for all my videos, so I thought, why not let AI help me source that part? The promise was perfect. Quick, customizable, royalty-free tracks that fit my vibe. But here's where things get sticky. They locked me into a year subscription, $85 down the drain. No refund. And that's a tough pill to swallow for creators on a budget. Here's the reality. The tracks, generic. Uninspiring, downright unusable at times. It was really hard for me to try and figure out ways to fit some of the sounds into my videos. Honestly, a lot of the melody structures were very similar from track to track. The instruments were very similar. You have a list of instruments, but they all seem to sound the same and play similar melody structures. The fills in a lot of the, progressions or the measures seem to kind of all have a basic generic vibe to them. And it just really wasn't my vibe. I was exhausted of it after 2 weeks. I was like, I feel like I ran through the catalog. It just was kind of boring. For me, my Soundraw AI experience was a bust. Maybe it works for some people, but I'd rather invest that $85 into tools that help elevate my content and not bring it down or give it a basic energy. So hopefully my $85 loss can be your lesson in all of this. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell to stay in contact with my videos, and I will bring you more product reviews for a creator's life. Thanks again. Be free, be free, be free, humans.